फ्रेंड्स, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड characteristics of waves. दिस इज पार्ट 2। आज हम समझेंगे फ्रीक्वेंसी, स्पीड और वेव फ्रंट्स को। Understand the frequency of the waves. Frequency of the waves can analyze the number of the cycles passing in a particular point. Let's example. Here we have a particular point. It is the red dot indicated the point, and the number of cycles passing from this point in a 1 second. Let's suppose a 5 waves passing from this point in a 1 second. It means the 5 hertz the frequency of this pattern. So we can write it down. The definition of the frequency is frequency measure how many complete wave cycles passes a fixed point in 1 second. It tells us how rapidly the wave is vibrating or oscillating. For example, think of it how fast the wave is vibrating. The faster the vibration, the faster the frequency. And the SI unit of the frequency is hertz. It means cycle per second. Here we have a three main factor to understand the complete concept of the frequency. Number one is number of waves in a 1 second. Determine the frequency of the wave. Let's suppose here we have a 10 waves in a 1 second. It means we have 10 hertz. Number two, more waves is equals to the higher frequency. We have a higher frequency, it means higher or more vibration per second. If we have a more vibration, it means we have a higher pitch. If we have a higher pitch, it means high frequency sounds are higher pitched. So pitch is the only one unique factor which help us to differentiate between two musical sounds. Now let's discuss about the wave speed. Wave speed also describe us how fast the wave move in any medium. Like in the definition, we can also write it. Wave speed is a measurement of the wave, how fast it is moving through the medium or a space. The unit, SI unit of the wave speed is meter per second. And this is the key that you know about the wave speed that it always depend on the medium, like sound waves always travel faster in water than in air, and the light wave always moves very fast in the vacuum. Now we have a fundamental equation which is called the wave speed formula or equation, which is connected a three main characteristics each other. Number one is the wave speed, always measured into the meter per second. Number two is the frequency, which is always measured into the hertz. And number three is the wavelength, always measured in the meter. If we have or if we know about two quantities, we can calculate and find out the third one easily. Now here we have the important inverse relationship between frequency and the wavelength. If we increase the frequency of the waves, the wavelength of the wave is also decreases. Like if the number of the cycle per centimeter is increases, the wavelength is also decreased. And if we increase the wavelength of the waves, the frequency also decreases. But here we have the important reminder that the wave speed of the particle is also constant. Now let's discuss about the wavefront. Wavefront is the just the imaginary lines which give us the direction of the waves, how the wave is propagate. Like if we connect all the troughs of the particles or all the crust of the particles each other, we can get the plane lines or the circular lines which is called the wavefront. This is totally imaginary line. If a light comes from very far object or distant object, we can consider it as a plane wavefront. Is the spherical wavefront. Spherical wavefront means the light or the wave is spreading all the direction, like the sound from the speaker is spreading all the direction. This is a circulatory wavefront or spherical wavefront are 3D and two-dimensional wavefronts. Now here we have a visualization of the wavefront, which is the ripple in the water. Like if we drop the stone in the still water, then we can get the circulatory wavefront like this. So this is the wavefront or the circulatory wavefront.